Gather your materials and follow along to make this easy wreath. This project is so simple and affordable. You only need 8 packs of 12 count ping pong eyeballs, 1 metal wreath form, plastic bugs, and a hot glue gun. All you're going to do is glue the eyeballs in the middle of the circle of the wreath form. Continue to the next row. Now complete the last row. Be generous with your glue so that everything stays together. You could also add a strip of felt to the back for extra support. Have fun and enjoy the holiday. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.